Okay, we are going to do the eliminations. Okay, so this time we will do the stage 2 questions. Okay, from questions 11 to 20. Okay, so I will do half and then let the rest for you. So let's start. Uh, let's go to 11. Just copy out. Okay, x plus 7y equal to 5, and then 3x plus 5y equal to minus 1. So when you finish copying, just look at these two equations. So you don't find some opposite terms right there, right? So if you find no opposite terms there, so you have to create some opposite terms to do the addition. Okay, so first you have to decide how to I mean you have to decide which unknown you have to eliminate first. Okay, normally we will choose those unknowns with a simpler numbers. Okay, because here you just compare. For y you have 7 and 5, and then for this x just have 3. Actually here is 1. So which one is more simpler? It should be this one, right? I will try to eliminate the x. Okay, so you give names 11. Equation 1, equation 2. Okay, so do you have to change both equations? No, you just change these x. Okay, just imagine if this x becomes minus 3x, that would be perfect. Okay, how to make it minus 3x? You do equation 1 times minus 3, understand? So you will have this term will become minus 3x, and then minus 3 times 7 minus 21y equal to, on this side 5 times minus 3 will become minus 15. Is okay. So here you have a new equations, give a new name, understand? So equation 2 and 3 you can do the addition. Equation 2 add to equation 3. So for the x, okay, put your finger like this, okay, x, eliminate, right? So for this positive 5y plus 21y, so if you find difficulties to calculate this addition, you can use your calculator, okay? So you have minus 16y equal to, this add together minus 16, so y you will have a nice number which is 1, okay? So you have to calculate x, choose one of the equation. I will choose equation 1, okay? So sub, or you write put sub y equal to 1 into equation 1, understand? So x plus 7 times 1 equal to 5, and then actually 7 times 1 will be 7, right? Move to the other side will become minus 7, so x equal to minus 2. Make conclusions. So x equal to minus 2, y equal to 1, understand? So this kind of questions, it is originally has no opposite terms. You have to create, understand? So in your assessment, in your exam, normally you would do those level like this. Okay, you do not do those very simple, understand? So you have to have the ability to deal with this kind of difficulties, understand? So go to 14, copy, minus 3x plus 8y equal to 12, and then 5x plus 4y equal to 8. So look at here, of course there are no opposite terms right here, right? But which unknown do you want to eliminate? If I were you, I would choose y, because this 4 times 2 will become minus 8, right? But if you choose to eliminate x, you have to change these two numbers to be the same, which is the LCM of 3 and 5. Then you have to times both equations by something. You have to do a lot of words. Okay, so we don't do that. So we don't eliminate x, but we eliminate y. Understand? So this time you just change this 4 to a. Understand? So you do equation 2 times 2 is okay, not minus 2, understand? So you times 2, then you get 10x minus 8y equal to 16, understand? Give a new name, equation 3 is okay. So here you can do the addition of equation 1 and 3, understand? 1 plus 3, so minus 3x and 10x will become 7x, understand? The y cancel, and then here on the other side you have 28, understand? So divided both sides by 7, you get 4, it's okay. And then next you can find out y, so you can choose which one. For example, I choose the equation 1, okay, stop, x equal to 4 into equation 1, then you have minus 3 times 4 plus 8y equal to 12, understand? So this is minus 12, move to the other side, you do 12 plus 12, understand? And then 8y equal to 24, y equals 3, understand? So here you have x equal to 4, y equal to 3, it's okay. I don't think it's very difficult, okay? So let's keep moving. Let's go to 15. 3x plus 2y equal to minus 2, 7x minus 3y equal to 3. So give names, okay? So here, so just choose which unknown you want to cancel or eliminate. If I were you, I don't choose x because first of all, they are all positive number, meaning that I have to times some of the question, one of the questions by a negative number. Okay, but here we cannot very directly change this 3 to 7 or change 7 to 3 because if you want to make these two numbers the same or opposite, you have to choose 21. Okay, because that will be the LCM. Understand? Okay, so let's look at y. So 2 and 3 will be much more simpler, right? And if you want to change these two equations, I mean the positive 2 and negative 3 to the same number, it will be 6. Understand? And then 6, and then already here is a minus, and then this is the positive. Okay, then you just calculate number. You have no need to take care of the sign. Understand? So how to do? So you want this to be 6, right? Look at here. You times what? Times 3. Okay, so first you times 3. Understand? And you want this to be 6, right? You do what? Times 2. Understand? Write this first. Is okay? So then what you have? The equation 1 times 3 will become 9x plus 6y, and then this become minus 6. Is you understand? Okay, and then here you times 2, 14x minus 6y equal to 6. Is okay? So give a bracket like this. Okay, give a new name. 3n. Okay, so and now here you see, oh, these two terms are opposite, right? So you do 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Then you do 9 plus 14 equal to 23x. Understand? Y cancel, write the equal sign, and then this is 0. Divided both sides by 23 is still 0. X equal to 0. Understand? So now you have 4 equations to choose to calculate y. So choose simplest one. I think the first one, okay, will be the simplest. So you sub x equal to 0 into 1, and then 3 times 0 plus 2y equal to minus 2. You have 2y equal to minus 2, right? Divided both sides by 2, you have minus 1. Understand? So x equal to 0, y equal to minus 1. Understand? It's okay? So keep going. Let's go to let's say 17. 17, calculate this. So copy out first. So you see the number minus 23 is on the left, understand? So I don't like this. I move this number to the other side first, so it will become 3x plus 8y equal to 23, and then 4x plus 7y equal to 16. So now you are ready to do something, so you can give names, understand? So just choose which one you have to, or you want to eliminate. I still choose x, y, because 8 and 7, their LCM will be very large. Okay, but 3 and 4, it's just 12. Okay, so one of them have to be minus. Understand? You can choose this one to be minus or this one to be minus. It's okay. For example, I choose this one to be minus, and then this one will be positive. Okay, so you want the 3 to become positive 12. You do what? Times 4. Understand? So if you want this one, this 4x, okay, this 4 to become minus 12, you do what? You times 3, not 3, but minus 3. Understand? Always mind this. Understand? So then next you do it times 4, okay? 12x times 4, 32y. Understand? And then you times 4 will become 92, understand? And then the next 12x, and then minus 21y, and then this minus 48, give bracket, give new names, understand? So you do addition now, understand? So this positive and negative 12 will cancel, okay? You don't have it. And then for the y, you have positive 11y. Understand? For this, you can use a calculator to find it. Okay, it's just 44. Okay, divided both sides by 11, you get y equal to 4. Understand? So next for x, choose the simplest one. I think equation 1. Understand? So sub y equal to 4 into 1. You have 3x plus 8 times 4 equal to 23. Okay, so 3x plus 32 equal to 23. Move this 32 to the other side, you get minus. Understand? 3x equal to minus 9. Divided both sides by 3, you get x equal to minus 3. Understand? So x equal to minus 3, y equals 4. It's okay? Understand? So I'll do one last. I'll choose the 20. Okay? 20. So just copy the original questions. Minus 24 equal to 4x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 7. Okay. So like I say, okay, you can break down these long equations into two, meaning that you can use this one to equal to 7 and then this one to equal to 7. So first you break down, okay, you break down. So you have to rearrange all the things, okay, before you give it a name. Understand? So keep this unknown on the left. So this 24 moved to the other side will be positive, right? Positive 24 plus 7 will become 31. And then 4x plus 3y equal to 6. So is this okay? So next, you have to choose one unknown to be cancelled. So I will choose the y because it's a minus here. Understand? So 5 and 3, what is their LCM? Should be 15, right? 15. So give names. So if you want this 5 to become 15, your equation 1 should be multiplying by 3. Understand? If you want your equation 2, this 3 to be 15, you have to do equation 2 times 5. Understand? So keep doing. 21x minus 15y equal to 93. And then you do it times 5. Do times 5 here is 20x plus 15y equal to 30. Okay, keep doing. Don't make it wrong, I mean the calculation. So now you have minus and positive 15y, right? You do 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4. So you have, this will be 41x and then 0. And then here will be 123. And divided both sides by 41, x will be 3. Okay? And then next you have to find out the y. I will choose equation 2 because I don't like the minus. Okay? So you sub x equal to 3 into 2. You have 4 times 3 plus 3y equal to 6. Understand? This is 12 plus 3y equal to 6. And then move the 12 to the other side, minus 12. You have 3y equal to minus 6. Understand? And y equal to minus 2. So make conclusion, x equal to 3, y equal to minus 2. It's okay? So I just finishing doing half of the stage 2 elimination questions. Okay, meaning that from question 11 to 20, I've done half for you. So the rest of them, you do it. Okay.